Assalamu alaikum. My name is Momal Maqsood. I am lecturer of Biochemistry at Afro-Asian Institute. Bachelor of Science in Biochemistry is a 4-year program that enables students to evaluate biochemical basis of biochemical processes. This program is concerned to inspire life scientists to make new discoveries in the field of health, to diagnose, treat, or prevent diseases. Our vision is to deliver the students with the knowledge in molecular sciences with modern trends. Our main goal is to produce trained manpower with independent thinking skills so that they can play a leading role in teaching industrial or research organizations. Our mission is to impart basic knowledge in various areas of biochemistries with infusing and problem-solving approach in research to produce top-quality scientists so that they are capable to play a significant role in the society. At Afro-Asian institutes, there is well-equipped lab so that the students of biochemistry can perform experiments that increase their practical skills. Specialized workshops are also organized at Afro-Asian institutes in order to enhance their knowledge and broaden their vision about their subjects. Almost 50+ students have been graduated from our institutes in biochemistry and are now serving at different industrial, educational, and research sectors. Thank you.